Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. Today we're going to be unboxing my Birchbox subscription, and hallelujah, they left the packaging alone this time. The packaging actually is consistent because lately it's like every other month I'm getting a different box and then I overanalyze and I overthink it and I'm like, what does this mean? But it stayed the same this time, you guys. So if you're not familiar with the Birchbox subscription, this is a monthly beauty box, and every month you are able to customize your entire box as well. So I do like that feature that you get to pick out all of the items that you're going to receive. So if you would like to check this one out, I've got a link listed down below for you guys. And then I also have a discount code where you can get your very first box for only $15. And then you do get free shipping on that one as well. So we're going to open up my April box here. I always have to remind you though that I do customize this box, but I never remember it. And then once I see it, I'm like, oh yeah, I kind of remember this. But as far as the choices for April, I can't even remember. I can't even tell you what was there. The only con with the way Birchbox has everything set up is that if you sign up as a new member, you are going to be offered the exact same choices that I was offered here in April. However, it's contingent on those products still being in stock. So what that means is that all existing members get to customize on the first day of the month. We go in, we pick out what we want for our April box. And then if you sign up in April, you'll be offered the same choices. But if we already chose all of those products and they're out of stock, it reduces the number of choices that you have to make for your box. So that's the only thing I will let you guys know is I don't know what the stock levels are for their inventory. So there's a chance the products that I show you today, they may still be available for April, but then again, they might not be. Oh, this is very nice. Look at this. So this is what it looks like for April. I have not seen them like stack these in. I didn't do that, you guys. But this was put together very well. I'm seriously impressed because usually when I receive this box, everything's just kind of thrown in there. So whoever picked this order or packed this order did a great job. So in your box, you will have a card in here that will tell you the theme for that month. This one is talking about spring forward. So it mentions that there were a couple of products that were their favorites this month from Earth Harbor and Laura Mercier. So this is what it will look like. It just kind of gives you a highlight of some of the products that were available for April. So first product that I chose for my box is from Balance Me. This is their full-size hyaluronic serum. So it's 30 ml or 1 ounce. This will feature hyaluronic acid inside of it, and it will give you hydration back to your skin, but it's also going to reduce the appearance of fine lines. So love that we have full-size products. Usually with Birchbox, the first category that you customize will be all full-size products, but just make sure you read. They do list it on there and they'll say like deluxe size or travel size. I always look through. I look for the full-size products, but this one is a full-size product that they offered this month. So this is what it will look like here. It is a glass bottle, so it is a little bit heavy, but it mentions that it's vegan, it is cruelty-free, and it's 99% natural ingredients in here as well. So this definitely qualifies as a clean beauty product. Now I kind of want to look through here and find out what's the 1%. What is the thing that is not natural origin? But I don't have time for that today, so I won't do that today. But great start to the box. The next item that I have in here is from Clark's Botanicals. This is a Jasmine Vital Oil. So 30 ml or 1 ounce. I think this is full size. It looks like it to me at least. But it doesn't say it anywhere and I don't remember what it said online, so I'm gonna assume that's what it is. It says, we know firsthand that feeling good in your skin can change your life. This is a multitasking formula with everyday clean ingredients that are also supercharged by Jasmine Complex, this complex they created. And they state that there are guaranteed results with this product. So it's supposed to make your skin glow, and it will also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it sounds very similar to the other product, except this has more of a glowing aspect, if you will. Vegan, cruelty-free, no harmful ingredients in here. So all good things. Let me open this and we'll look at it. I don't know this brand either. I don't even think I've seen this in any other boxes. So this is what it looks like. But if you guys are familiar with Clark's Botanicals, comment down below and let me know. Is this a good brand? Do we like them? Do we not? Is there anything I need to know about this? This one's also a glass jar. I mean, you guys, this stuff is heavy this month. They are very similar products, but I will say, in my defense, I did choose these products, so you wouldn't necessarily have to choose two identical ones. But they don't really, unless I don't read, but I don't think Birchbox gives you a description on what the products do. They just show you a photo and they say the name of the product, they tell you the size, and that's it. So typically I just go through and I'm like, oh, that's a full-size product. Great, I'll go with that then. And I kind of pick through what I'm looking for. I did not realize they were so similar to one another, but unless they don't put it on there or I didn't read it, that might be the explanation for that. So what I'm saying is if you get this box, you don't necessarily have to go with both of those same items. Now you know what they both do. So our next product that we have in here is from Alterna. This is a hair care product. It is their priming leave-in conditioner. So it is a detangling spray. You can also spritz this on and it will be a heat protectant, but then it's also going to be a leave-in conditioner at the same time. Travel sized bottle, 25 ml here. This is actually the perfect travel bottle. Like this is perfect for going on a road trip, whatever it may be, flying even. I feel like this is just what you would need. I also have some makeup this month, you guys. Now, I will tell you, if you're looking for a subscription box that features makeup, I don't know that I would recommend this box to you. Makeup is a treat. It's a surprise every once in a while. It is not consistent. It's not every month. So don't order Birchbox if you're looking for makeup. So this product is from number 7 and it is a blush. It's a powder blush and the shade is Cranberry. So this is what it looks like here. I think it's a beautiful shade. It does look a little bit warm for springtime, especially since that's their theme this month is to give you a springtime glow. I feel like this is more fall oriented, but it is very pretty. I have another makeup item in here, you guys. This is shocking. So this is from Grande Cosmetics and it's their Grande Lip Plumper. So it is a clear lip gloss and it's designed to plump your lips. So this is the lip gloss that will tingle when you put it on. It will still give you that shine, but it's also going to hydrate your lips with hyaluronic acid in here, but then it will plump up your lips as well. So you could put on a color first if you want to do a lipstick or something, and then go over top of it with this clear lip gloss. And what I like is that when it does tingle, and it doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt for me, but you do feel it. It kind of feels like ants are walking all over your lips, but it will create a brighter effect. So your lips will look a little bit brighter and a little bit bolder whenever you use these plumpers. But Grande Cosmetics, great brand. This one, obviously just being their sample size, it's 1.1 ml. Not a lot of product in there, but I will take it. Last up then for today, we have a perfume sample. This one is the Arizona perfume. I don't know if that's the name or if that's, I'm not actually sure. Is that the brand or is that the name of this fragrance? Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Maybe this is the brand name and Arizona is the name of the fragrance. You've got all the details here. You can look it up because I don't know. So this one is sample size at 1.2 ml. Let me pull this out and we will smell this. Intense perfume, it says. Okay. This, I swear I've smelled this before. Somebody in my family has this. I'm telling you, because I instantly got a scent of a family member. And while they are older than me, I don't want you to take that as like it smells like an old person. That's not what I mean at all. Maybe I shouldn't even talk about their age. It's just, when I smell this, I thought of that person. I'm pretty sure this is what they wear. Okay, I just probably, at least I can laugh at myself. But yeah, no, it's a very warm scent. I feel like there's amber in here. It smells a little musky as well. It does smell strong. It is a very intense perfume as well. But I want to say it smells a little dated, a little vintage, but I think it might be skewed because, like I said, they're older and I've just known them to always have this scent. So in my mind, it's like, well, I wouldn't wear that because they wear it. You know what I mean? So it probably isn't dated or vintage. It's just my perspective. You know, sometimes I watch these back and I'm like, what is with my reviews? So that is everything inside of my Birchbox for April. I think this was a really good box. So I pay $25 a month for this box, and because I'm not a new member, so I don't get the discount anymore. But I feel like this was worth the $25 spent on it. I like that there's full-size products. I love that we got makeup in here. And then even the fragrance is a nice touch, a little bit of hair care. This one actually is a great variety box. I'm very pleased with this one. I do think it was worth what I spent on it. This is typical for Birchbox in the sense that you do receive different brands in here compared to the other beauty subscriptions out there. If you want my honest opinion on beauty boxes, I feel like Birchbox is good, but you know how there's a scale and it's like good, better, best? I feel like Birchbox is in that good category. It's good enough for me to recommend it and say, sure, try it out every once in a while. But it is not better than some of the other beauty boxes out there. So if you are looking for something, maybe you just want to change it up, this might be a nice adventure to try out. This month, I think it's a really good box. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!